Welcome to one more edition of the JS Club. Oh, what had just happened? There was a big sound and a big spark of light around us. What had just happened? Oh, is it? I think it's going to rain today because there is lightning everywhere and there's thundering also. Have you ever wondered why this lightning happens? Is this like God is angry on us and is going to curse us, something like that? No, lightning is the pure science. So, in today's Vijayastam's Club's activity, we are going to explore what is lightning and what is the reason behind it. To understand the science behind lightning, it's very important to learn few basic things. We know matter is made up of atoms. Atom is the smallest particle. This atom is made up of nucleus, which is both protons and neutrons combined together, and also it has been surrounded by electrons, which will be revolving around the nucleus in different orbits. Protons are positively charged, neutrons doesn't have any charge, but these electrons are negatively charged. So an atom as a whole, it is electrically neutral because there will be equal number of protons and electrons in an atom. We know that like charges repel each other and unlike charges will attract each other. It means that when you have a positive charge and a negative charge, it means a proton and an electron, both of them will attract each other. When you have same kind of charges like proton and electron and electron, they are going to repel from each other. So electrostatic force will come into existence when there is an interaction between two bodies and when they exchange charges. I'll call upon Namrata to explain about this electrostatic force.
Hello everyone, I am Namrata Arbagari from 8C and today I am going to demonstrate electrostatic force to you. Electrostatic force. Electrostatic force is a non-contact force which can pull or push objects without touching them. Rubbing some materials can result in something known as charge being moved from one surface to another surface. Now let's explore more about this force through some activities. Now let me explain how electrostatic force works. Now I'll rub the balloon into my hairs. When I rub the balloon in the hairs, it gets negatively charged and acquires more negative charges, and when I bring near the bits of paper, since the balloon is negatively charged, the positive charges present in the paper gets attracted and gets clinged into the balloon. So this is how the electrostatic force works. Here I have a fiber stick, a piece of paper, a eraser and a empty pen refill and a cotton cloth. Now I am going to place the refill inside the eraser. Once it's stood, I am going to take the paper and fold it horizontally and vertically and fold it at the middle and place it upon the refill. And now I am going to take the fiber stick and the cotton cloth and rub it. Can you see? The paper is attracted to the fiber stick and is moving along with the stick. For our next activity, we have a CPVC pipe, empty juice tin made of aluminium, a woolen gloves. Now I am going to take the pipe and rub it to gloves and place the tin. Observe closely. The tin is attracted towards the pipe and is moving towards the pipe. Do you know what are the uses of electrostatic force? Electrostatic force is used in photocopy machines and molecular structure can be explained through this force. And lightning occurs only due to electrostatic force. Thank you.
You know now, lightning is because of the electrostatic force. But how this force come into existence in clouds? Due to the movement of hot air and colder air in the clouds, there will be separation of both positive and negative charges inside the cloud. These charges cannot be held at their place for a longer time because nature always tries to create the balance. These positive charges and negative charges both must attract. This movement of electrons constitute a huge amount of electric current, which is actually the lightning. Have you ever wondered why there is a huge amount of sound in the form of thunder. This is because air is an insulator of electricity, but this huge amount of electric current produces such a huge amount of heat which expands the air and it immediately contracts. Because of that, we are going to hear this thundering effect during lightning. When the weather is cloudy, there would be accumulation of charges around the buildings and around bigger trees and also electric towers or the telephone towers. So during lightning, the charges may move from these surfaces to the cloud, and at the same time the charges may move from cloud onto these surfaces. So this is called as a lightning strike. Lightning strike is so deadly, it can even kill a person, it will damage the structures, buildings, and it can also burn the trees. So lightning is a deadly natural phenomena and we must be very careful about it, and it is due to the electrostatic force. So here are few do's and don'ts you need to follow during lightning. Thank you.
Cast ahead of time and stay indoors during a thunderstorm. But just being inside isn't enough. You must take precautions to be safe. Close windows and doors and stay away from them. Stay off balcony, porches and terrace. Plumbing and bathroom fixtures can conduct electricity. During lightning or thunderstorm, avoid contact. Do not wash hands. Take a shower, wash dishes or clothes. Do not use wired phones. Cordless and mobile phones not connected to wall outlets are okay to use. However, save battery and use SMS. Unplug all electrical appliances and turn off air conditioners before a thunderstorm. Avoid contact with plugged-in electrical equipment or cords during a thunderstorm. In case of emergency, give first aid immediately and call ambulance service or go to hospital. Be smart, be prepared.